Alright, so this is Stateroom 10136. This is a Deluxe Oceanview veranda. Alright, and as we go through, they have a light key card area to allow the energy use, and then we have turned the thermostat down to the coolest setting. So this one, as of this morning, has been highly decorated by the wonderful Disney Cruise Line team for this sailing. So these are a split bathroom, and this is excellent, where we've got a toilet and a sink in here with a hand wash, towels and tissue, and other different amenities, controlled by a light switch right out here on the outside. And then this is the second portion of the split bathroom with the shower. So as you can see, that we have got more amenities. We've got some type of lotion in here, body lotion, and we've got some soap, towels, tub, and then we've got amenities as well in here to do other body wash and hair. And then this is pretty nice. They've got this particular shower where you can control the actual temperature, which is great for children. We've got split closets. In the first closet, we will have a nice safe that we can put all of our valuables in. We can put your passports, very good deal, and then plenty of hangers, and then we've got the life vest. The second portion is more life vest and some areas to place some shoes and some very long, I guess, dresses and other different pants in this particular area. We have other areas for drink and more storage. So the key to Disney Cruise Line in their area is that the bed is on stilts and you can put your luggage under the bed. So I know that this is the USB world, so there's two USB connections to the clock with a light switch to control your particular portion of the lights. And once again, that this has been cruise decorated for welcome aboard. So there's a fun set sail. We also have the Castaway Cruise amenity gifts and discussions on your lifeboat station. So obviously we got a welcome character stateroom experience. So, and then another one that came in as well is the Destinations Bon Voyage. So suites. So this twin bed also turns into, or the couch turns into a twin bed, and this one has a overhead drop down berth, aka bunk. So this is definitely a good stateroom for four. You've got that. Not only is it a TV, you could do or not even pay-per-view, multiple Disney products and videos, and you can watch different things throughout the cruise. And then we also have a very nice size refrigerator to keep those beverages cold. And more electrical outlets. Now, some of the updates on the Fantasy, we've seen some USB, oh, there it is, some more USB outlets up here as well. So then we've got light switches. For all those who are wondering, they have hair dryers. It's a fairly sizable hair dryer. I know that's always been a fairly common question. Then of course we are coming up to the balcony. So this one, for all those moms and dads that they've got here at about the 6 foot level or a little bit higher, is the door switch. Obviously it's a not very easy switch to move, so obviously most children are unable to change it, so with a rolling door lock. So we have a balcony with 2 chairs and a table. If you had an adjoining guest, obviously with the door that goes to the other room, we can actually have the guest room attendant open these up, and as you go along. Now another nice feature is plexiglass. So this is about 4.5 feet high on the railing, so it would take quite a bit for children to actually climb that height. So once again, that's plexiglass for all the control, and we're on the deck 10, so obviously we have a overhead. Makes a nice breeze shade when we're underway, so very nice. So once again, that is room 10136. We are on the port side aft of the ship. So very well done. So have a great day and enjoy your future cruise.